Actually, Iconic was very professional. We had the owner out for an initial proposal. We accepted the proposal, and the installation crew was out within a couple of weeks, and the installation was extremely well done, very professional. I couldn't have asked for a better job, actually. Well, one large benefit is our electric usage is we have no electric bill anymore. The other thing, it's a good thing to do for the environment as well. The amount saved, our electric bill, it was fairly low to start with because we went with high efficiency Energy Star appliances and LED lighting. So we're saving probably $100 a month on average. Roughly 110, between 90 and 110, something like that. $15. That's just the required metering fee from Commonwealth Edison. Purchased electricity since we put the system in. Before we put the solar panels in, our electric bill ranged anywhere from $90 to $125 a month. And since we installed the solar panels, on average through the year, our bill is now roughly $15 a month. If you're thinking about going solar, it's always best to just do it now. I wouldn't hesitate to do it at all. The systems are extremely reliable. They're noiseless. They take up no space on your house or in your home. It's just a relatively low intrusion on your lifestyle.